Today's recipe on Goodness in a Bowl is a high protein, high fiber soupy dal made from whole green moong. We are making Green Moong Stew, traditionally known as Moogache Medgar. Let's begin by dry roasting 1 cup of whole green moong in a pan. Once it cools, we'll wash it well. And then pressure cook this with 2 cups of water, salt to taste, and a teaspoon of ghee. Pressure cook this for about 4 to 5 whistles or until the dal turns soft. While that's cooking, we'll make a coarse paste using a few garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons grated ginger, 2 green chillies, 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts, some fresh coriander. I also add the stems because they add a lot of flavor. And then we'll add salt to taste. Let's grind this into a coarse paste. Our authentic flavor base for the dal is ready. Now in a separate pan, I'll heat about 1 tablespoon of oil. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then add cumin seeds, a pinch of hing, and few curry leaves. Next I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger-garlic, and saute this well. Now add 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander, the prepared masala, and about half cup of water. Let's mix this well. And let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to add our hero ingredient, and that is green moong. Give everything a good mix and adjust the water to give a perfect soupy consistency. I usually add a little extra water because the soup tends to thicken over time. Now let's add salt to taste and let this simmer for a few more minutes. Simple ingredients, authentic flavor, and endless comfort. This looks done. Serve it warm, especially on cooler days, and enjoy this with steamed rice or chapati. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon to subscribe to Rajshri Food.